the different type of records as well, different type of data, how can we enter, how can we edit, or how can we modify the structure of the database or the table. Okay, so that is the thing. So for that reason I need to log in into MySQL. Fine. So this one I just have logged in. This is a simply a practical work actually, which is having lot of connection with the theoretical answers and all theoretical questions whatever you will get in the exam, as well as during your practical classes. Okay, and in the theoretical classes you have faced sometimes. Okay, so those things actually today I'm discussing once again. Okay, so first of all we need to choose a database by using show databases, because we have created already many databases. Okay, so by using the create database command, that is quite easy. Okay, so database. Okay, show databases. Fine. So the show databases will show us what the list of databases. From here any of the database we need to choose. Okay, so what database should I choose out here, that I are having already created some records and all over here. So I can go for it AMP. Let's see what is there. Okay, use EMP. Okay, so after having this use EMP database change message will be displayed. Okay, that is actually says that you are now in the work area of EMP. Fine. So now you can see the tables out here. You can choose a table onto which you can work. Okay, that is the thing. So show tables command I am just giving out here in order to get the listing of the tables. So you are having three tables: EMP1, EMP2, EMP3. So just today we will work on the general query. Okay, let us see now EMP1. Okay, let us see now. Okay, so I'm just giving this command, that is the retrieval of all the records. Select star. Now what does it star mean? The question can come. The star means what? The entire data set. Okay, entire record set will be displayed. Okay, from which file? EMP1. So this is a general query because this is applicable on any table. So only the table name changes, nothing else. Select from is a general query format in SQL in order to do the data retrieval. Okay, that is the thing. So all set of data will be displayed from the concerned table. So here why general query? That is why it is general query, because it is applicable for all the tables. Okay, only the table name changes. Fine, clear. So it is show me out here something. You can see out here some of the null records are there, because this phone number is such a thing that I have not given it as I have not given it as I have not made it as not null. Okay, so that is why it is eligible to accept the null data. Okay, that is the thing. So before going to the any other kind of query, just I want to show you how to display the structure of the table, because the structure of the table is very important in order to insert the records into the table. Because if you don't know the data type and all, in that case what will happen, you will not be able to understand that what type of data you are going to insert in a table. Okay, that is the thing. So that's for that reason we need to see the first the description of the table. So yeah, we can use out here the first four letters of the describe command. So that is the describe emp1. Okay, describe emp1 will show you what the structure of the table. You can see it very clearly. Okay, so the queries are quite simple out here. Only the general format you need to follow. Okay, so that is the thing. So description emp1 shows us that there are some data types have been chosen already. So int means integer, which by default can accept 11 data, 11 characters. Okay, 11 digits maximum. Okay, that is the thing. And if you mention, then it is fine, no problem. If you don't mention, in that case it will be by default 11. Okay, name varchar 24, variable character length of size 24. Okay, null, yes, you can keep it null, acceptable. Default is null, it is showing. That means the null value also can be given. Okay, address like this. Okay, doj date, this is a date type. Okay, so no length and all are there. The data to be entered in YYYY, and dt format. Okay, and then zone is of character 6, maximum 6 characters can be accommodated, and salary is again integer, phone is again cat 10, because the mobile number is of 10 digits, so it is fixed character length. The difference between varchar and char is what? Varchar is nice variable character length, whereas the char is the character length only, that is a fixed character length. Okay, clear. So let us see insert into table name. Okay, emp1, the first syntax of the insert command, then values. Okay, then within bracket what will you give? You will give it according to the 2 to 3. Suppose I am giving 2 to 3. Okay, and then say I am giving out here, say okay something like Anjali. Anjali. Okay, say then I am giving out here Siliguri. Okay, address. I'm following the same structure. Okay, so that is the 2009-09- 15. Okay, that is the thing. That's the date of joining. Zone is say east. Okay, sorry, zone is say east zone. Okay, east zone. Okay, and then say comma, salary is say 45,000. Okay, and then say what, phone is say what, phone is say 78903445 6. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So one more digit to require. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is a total, I am inserting the records. Okay, so what is the format? Insert into table name values. Okay, this is the general format actually. That is why termed as general query. Okay, insert into mp1 values. You can see out here 223 Anjali Siliguri. This has been given out here. This is the thing. Okay, insert into table name values. This is the first syntax. So, and remember, this is actually a primary key. You can see out here. So the primary key is it matters a lot, because the duplicate values will not be accepted, because whatever you are seeing out here, okay, out here in this particular field, if this SID, which is emp ID, is appearing already existing, in that case it will not be accepted. Okay, it will accept only the unique data set. Okay, that is why the primary one is very important. So that is why the primary constant is very important, otherwise the redundant data can be will be entered. Okay, that will create a data inconsistency. Fine. So for that reason only you have to be careful while entering the primary key value. Okay, that is the thing. So we have just entered this one, insert into emp1, okay, values, and then we have just inserted this data. Okay, so now another type of insert command is also available, that I would like to say you. Insert into emp1. Okay, now you are just giving which are the fields you want to enter data. Say emp ID, this is you have to enter, because the primary key field you see out here, no null value it will accept. Okay, so I'm simply saying no. Okay, that's why. Then name, you can keep it, you will keep it. Okay, you will not give it, you don't know the name, maybe address, and then say date of joining also you don't know. You don't know that one from the east zone, the person will be joining, and then salary will be that also has been fixed, but the person has not been fixed yet, because yet to join. Okay, when the person will join, then you take the details and then you will enter. Sometimes in the organization these things are also happening. Okay, values. Okay, so values you take accordingly what we have taken out here. Okay, suppose I am taking out 559. Okay, is the ID, address is say Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata, and then say zone is say east. Okay, and then salary is say 34,000. Okay, so is the salary. This is fixed, so you know it. Fine. Okay, so other places wherever is null, that will be inserted as null, since we have the provision to insert null. If it is no null, not null, then in that case you will not be keep it empty. Okay, so that is the thing. So query, okay, one way affected. So now both these records we have inserted. Now you see that how could I retrieve the records. Okay, so select star from emp1. Okay, so this is the command in order to display all the records from the table. Okay, so whatever we have inserted right now, okay, that also will be displayed. Okay, so you see out here that this has become null everywhere, the null is there. Okay, 3 places null is there, and then some of the phone numbers are also showing the null value. Okay, now the question is that if I want to display only the null values, then what could I do? Okay, then this one I'll just give one thing, select star from emp1, where with respect to anything, suppose you want to see with respect to name the null values. Okay, name is null. Okay, so this is very important command, is null. Okay, where name equals to null, don't give. Okay, so then in that case empty set will be displayed. Okay, but here in this case what you should do, where name is null, that means what it will show you, that the null values where the name is appearing as null, that will be displayed. Fine, press enter, it will be displayed only the null values. Okay, and simply wherever the name is not null, just give is not null. Okay, so what is coming in your mind, that command you give. Okay, in that way. Okay, that is the things. Then you will see that select star from emp1, where name is not null, means like apart from null, all the records will be displayed. So here the null record has not been appeared. Fine, that is the thing. Similarly, is here you can see out here phone is also some null places are there. Okay, null record is there. Okay, so simply you just see the general query as talking about. Okay, so instead of name I am just giving phone. Okay, so phone I am giving phone okay, is not null. Fine. So what is happening now? You press enter. Only the person those who are having the phone numbers, their record only will be displayed, nothing else will be displayed. Fine, that is the thing. And if you are giving the null values is null, then what will happen? Where the phone number is null, only those records will be displayed. Okay, so that is the thing. So that is the difference between the null and is not null. So not is for what? Just to invert or revert the outcome. That is the thing. Clear? Now select star from emp1. You have seen the functionality of is null. Now you see little bit of update command. Okay, so for that reason what we are doing, we are just doing again the detailed listing of the particular table. Okay, select star from, okay, emp1. Fine, emp1. Now you see emp1. Okay, so the thing is that, so what is exactly the thing will happen out here? You can see that emp1 how we are going to do. Okay, so that is the thing. So now you see out here, okay, we want to change, means like modify the record 559 where the name is null, dog is null, and phone is also null. So we want to change it. Okay, so now what we will do, we have to use a command called update. Okay, update table name. Okay, update table name where, okay, update table name, sorry, with update set will be used. Okay, set what, wherever places you want to give the value, just take that, take the name of that attribute, and then you give it Subir. Okay, suppose you are giving out here Subir. Okay, no, Subir is already there. I am just giving out here Tarun I am taking. Tarun. Okay, and then say what else is there. You are having the DOJ also have not been entered, so you take DOJ also. If it is single field, fine, there is no problem. Okay, if it is double field, if it is more than one field, you have to take, then in that case you have to use the comma separator. Fine, so that is the thing. So now you just give 2012. Okay, this is the year, and the month you have taking May, in the month of May, and then say 28th May suppose. Okay, you have taken this one. Okay, Tarun, and what else to be taken? You have to take the where places you see where the null is appearing, phone number is appearing null. Okay, and then phone also you change equals to, you give out here. Okay, 70012 or 70012. Okay, and that is the thing. 3190. Okay, so that is the thing. So the 10 digits are available. Okay, now the thing is that at this stage you cannot leave. You have to now specify the criteria for whom you are actually editing or modifying the set of data. Fine, so for whom are you doing? You are doing for this 559. So that is why you have to put the condition out here where emp id equals to 559. So then only the changes will be reflected into this particular record. Otherwise what will happen, everywhere this particular name, date of joining and phone will be overwritten. Fine, so then what will happen, the data discrepancy will arise in that case, and it will be very problematic in that case afterwards to change the entire set of data. That's why while deleting and updating the records, to be the criteria to be given in such a way that the specific one to be reflected, nothing else. Fine, that is the thing. So now I am pressing enter over here. So query okay and one row affected. Fine, so it has been changed. Now how would you confirm it? Okay, just you give the select star from emp1, that will show you the changes have been reflected or not. Okay, let us see now 559. So as per our changing, so the name should be Tarun, that it has been appeared. Okay, date of birth, date of joining also has been appeared. Okay, 28th May 2012. Zone is zone, we have given before. Then we have changed another thing, that is the phone number. The similar phone number also has been appeared over here. So that is a successful editing of data we have made out here. Okay, so that is the thing. So in this way the update command can be we can function we can use. Okay, we can use in order to modify the records and all. Okay, clear, that is the thing. So that is the purpose of the update command. Okay, so you can remember that previously I had given one update command. Okay, update, and difference between the update and alter command. So update is actually a DML command, that is the data manipulation language. Okay, that is the things, whereas the alter command is something different. Alter command is also doing the modification, but that is actually related to the structure of the table. So that is why it is termed as a DDL command. Okay, that means the data definition language. Fine, So say for example, I'm just giving out here description S1. Okay, suppose I'm giving description, not S1, EMP1. So EMP1 will show me the different type of constraints and all of the concern table. Okay, now if you say that, say what is this actually, say I want to change it, say I want to change the name of the size of the this particular field as from varchar 24 to I want to make it varchar 30. Okay, so then what will happen, alter table. Okay, alter table emp1, and then you will use modify. Okay, alter table emp1 modify. Okay, now name. Okay, name, then varchar. Okay, varchar you give here 30. Okay, fine. So then what is existing was 24, now you are increasing the size of the increasing the length of the name field. Previously it's supposed to accept 24 characters. Okay, maximum 24 characters. Now it will accept maximum 30 characters. So I have done it. Okay, now confirm it by description DSC emp1. Then you see that varchar has become 30. So this is the modify is actually an attribute that can be used with the alter table. Okay, command. Okay, which actually helps us in order to modify the field length and their size. Field length and their size and their type also sometimes we can change also. Okay, that is the thing, and we can do the rename also, that is also there. Okay, that is the thing. So sometimes the key constant also can be removed. You can see a very simple one out here, how to remove the primary key from here, primary key constant from here, but the field will remain out here. If you want to remove some fields and all, you have to use the drop command. Okay, that I am showing you by using the alter table drop. Okay, drop primary key. Okay, then what will happen, drop primary key, just if you give this command, if no other foreign key and all are added over here, then it will be removed. Okay, so here it has not been removed because here already something means like here somewhere it has been declared as the primary key, that is why. Okay, sorry, foreign key, that is why, because other tables are also there, that's why it cannot be removed. Okay, that is the thing. So but from other table it can be removed also by using the same alter table drop primary key. This command is used in order to remove the primary key field. Say for example, I'm going to the another one, use student. Okay, I'm just using this table. Okay, use student. Okay, database changed. Okay, now I will see the tables are there, what tables are there. Okay, fine, show tables. So it is showing some persons are there. Okay, so I'll just see the description of the persons table, so it will tell me what are the key constant has been added over there. Okay, yes, obviously here one primary key constant is there, so I'm trying that alter table command out here. So alter table persons. Okay, drop primary key, then what will happen, this primary key will be removed from here simply. Okay, now you see it is appearing over here. Now you try out description persons, it will not be shown out here. That means what, the primary key has been removed. Okay, that is the thing. But the thing is that if this primary key has been defined somewhere as the foreign key, in that case the error that we had got, that we will receive. Okay, because this is for the security purpose, so accidentally should not be, the structure should not be changed, that may affect the entire data set. That is why it has not been deleted over there. Okay, so that is the thing. Actually it is not the because of the query is wrong, actually the structure is set in that way only, but here it has been, no such constraint is available out here, so it has been removed. So once again, if you want to add it, that also can be done. So alter table, here we have to use the another set drop primary key. Drop command is used for removal. Okay, so if you want to use, the thing is that say for example, you alter table, you want to add the primary key, then just give add over here and primary key. Now you have to mention that which key field, which field actually you want to use as the primary key, that the name to be given within the parenthesis. Fine. So now the thing is that you press enter. Okay, and then say add primary key, not yes sid, alter table add. I have given the wrong table name, that is the problem. Actually alter table add I have given, but alter table always table name to come. Okay, alter table persons. Okay, persons add primary key, alter table persons. Okay, add. Okay, add has been over there, add primary key sid. Now it is fine. Okay, so now the primary key field will be added. Okay, so now you can see the description, you see once again the primary key has been appeared. Okay, so in this way, now the thing is that if you want to add, if you want to remove any field, okay, or any attribute, okay, you can do that. How will you do it? Alter table drop, alter table persons, then the drop which field you want to remove. Say for example age. Okay, say for example drop age. Okay, that means what, the age field will not be there. Okay, it will be removed from here entirely. Okay, so it has been removed from here. Okay, so how will you understand? by giving the description. You see, it is not showing the name of this particular attribute. Now if you want to add this once again, then what will you do? What will you do? You have to add it up by using the alter table add. Okay, so alter table add. Now here you have to use the name of the particular field. So what is that? Age and its data type. Okay, that is also required. Age and its data type is integer. Fine, integer. All right, so now you press enter. Alter table persons add age integer. Now you press enter. Now you will see that it has been added once again. Confirm it by description. Okay, so it has been over there. Okay, now this set of comments actually today I had discussed with you. So these are very important comments. Okay, and these are quite often being asked. Okay, in case of SQL and all. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, all right. So what it does, the main benefit of doing the practical is that you are actually 100% preparing yourself for your practical things. Okay, that is the thing, for your practical. Okay, but provided you must have MySQL to be installed in your system, otherwise these things are not being possible. Okay, so always install the software, then side by side you read the theory. Okay, you read the theory and do the practicals. That will be better. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, otherwise what will happen, what will happen if there is no connection between these two, then it will be a problem in order to apply the queries and comments. Okay, because the queries, the similar format we are using. Okay, similar formats. Okay, say for example this one we are talking, we have seen it before also, we have done it. Okay, so update command can also be applicable over here also. That is the thing. So say for one example of general query I am showing you. Say for I want to display the all South Zone people. Okay, then what I will do, select okay, select star from emp1 okay, where okay, zone equals to what, say south. Okay, you can give it in this way, south. Okay, that is the thing. So South Zone people will be displayed. Fine, south. Okay, so the South Zone people, the similar query can be applicable where zone, you can remove this equal to, you can give this like. Okay, so a simple similar query. Okay, that is the thing, but the thing is that structurally they are different. Okay, here the relational operator, here the like clause, which is very useful in case of retrieving the string data type. That is the thing. So now you see out here the similar thing has happened out here. Okay, so the like clause, that is the thing. Okay, like clause are normally used in order to access the string data type. Put the use the string criteria. This where part, the select star from emp1, here no criteria has been fixed out here, so the entire data set will be displayed. But when you are putting this condition or the criteria after where, then what is happening, the data retrieval will take place as per the given criteria. That's all. That's what actually the main theme of the query. Okay, so okay, say for example you want to display the person's salary whose salary is between 14,000 to 20,000. Fine, so what I will give, so I have to select star from emp1 where salary, I will use a clause out here, salary between, okay, between what, 14,000 to 16,000 and 20,000, sorry, 20,000. If any data is there, okay, that is none of our business. If any data is there, it will display, otherwise it will display simply empty set. But here we have found some data which are falling within 14 and 20,000. And one more thing to be noticeable out here, these ranges are inclusive. Okay, so that's why 14,000 and 20,000 have been displayed. Okay, that is the thing. Understood? Okay, now the thing is that salary is greater than, I'm just doing out here, greater than 14,000, and salary, okay, salary less than 20,000. This one I'm using by logical operator. Now you see out here empty set. Why empty set? Because when we have used this logical operator, okay, it is taking 14,000 onwards, means 14,001 onwards. So no such data has been satisfied within this range, so empty set has been appeared out here. This thing you have to understand. Okay, that is the thing. Now this same set of data, if we are making in this way, greater than or equals, okay, then it will again display. Okay, because the greater than or equals and lesser than or equals, okay, clear, will actually again giving the same outcome, okay, as we have given out here. So that is the thing. So now you press enter. Now you will see the same data set has been appeared. So these things you have to understand, especially when you are doing the practicals. Okay, so that is actually a good practice also, in order to enrich yourself by theoretical knowledge. Okay, that is the thing. So practical knowledge will enrich your theory, and theoretical knowledge also will enrich your practical. That is the thing. So both the things are functioning in tandem. Okay, that is the thing. So you have to understand this. So student, for today this much I have explained it to you. In my next video you will see some more with the SQL commands. Okay, till then, thank you and all the best for your exam, for coming exam and all, and be safe and be well. Thanks once again.